Hey everyone, this is the DJI Mavic Air 2 drone. This is not a deep review video or anything. It's just a video of me playing around with it and sharing the responsiveness of the thing for those of you that are in the market for one. I've had it for about a month now, and so far it's been great. It's cool to see your neighborhood and landscape from a height. The camera on the drone is also very nice with resolution up to 4K Ultra HD. Here are some useful specs copied from the DJI website. So far, I've only been flying the drone around in the baseball field since I live in the city. Definitely would like to get a chance at some point to fly on top of a mountain or in an open trail. Anyways, hope the video was helpful. Like if it was, comment if you have any, and subscribe for more. See ya.